This is as close as we can get to the base of the World Trade Center. You can see the firemen assembled here, the police officers, FBI agents, and you can see the two towers. A huge explosion now, raining debris on all of us. We better get out of the way!
For American Catholics, there's something especially worth remembering about the September 11th terror attacks, and it's something you might not have heard. When the New York City Fire Department was called to the scene of the World Trade Center that September morning in 2001, Father Michael Judge went along with them. As chaplain of the fire department, this Catholic priest performed an important service. While his firefighters worked to rescue as many people as possible in the melee, Father Judge prayed over the wounded and blessed the dying and the dead. Just after he rushed into the foyer of the North Tower, the South Tower collapsed. As he gave last rites to a dying fireman, Father Judge was crushed under the debris and died. But while the terrorist attack took the life of that priest, one fireman who was on the scene believes there were also signs of hope. "I saw the worst of humanity, but I also saw the best of humanity," Tom Colucci recalled in a report by Aleteia. Colucci, a captain in the New York City Fire Department and a Catholic, was forever impressed with the responders to the scene. Everybody said, "Where was Christ that day?" Well, that was the body of Christ. Christ was in everybody that showed up that day, he said. In fact, the Christian fervor of responders changed his life forever. He spent 8 years as a Benedictine monk and then chose to become a priest. Father Tom Colucci was ordained in May of 2016. With the fire department, you're saving lives, says Father Colucci. Here in the priesthood, you're saving souls. You're both helping people, reaching out at their neediest moments. You put other people first, which is the essence of being a fireman and the priesthood. Every September, all Americans honor the victims, comfort the surviving families and friends, and swear never again to allow such an attack to be accomplished on American soil. But for American Catholics in particular, September 11th is also a day to remember the grace of God offered through the healing hands of His Church and His priests. This has been an episode of CVTV. Subscribe to CVTV on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and sign up at catholicvote.org/loop.